School.
Come back. Oh. But let me have a good angle. What the guy did there. Yes, I'm sure you must be wondering, how is it that music is playing at this event where there is deaf and hard of hearing persons? They do feel the beat, and so it's entertaining for them. They also are just regular people doing regular stuff, so they are just people with a disability. They're fun to be around, and you can learn of many ways to deal with them and to correspond with them, and they're wonderful drivers. Keep watching. No, but differently, the pants we said it tight. Lord of mercy, look on the dog them where them a do in a my camera. Jeez, me nice bad. Whoa, cool. Can't dispute that one though.
We say no.
No? Why? So how do you?
You know, like when we talk, we have different sounds. They
Ah,
sound different. We have different
accents.
Or
So no two people sound the same. So how you manage that?
just manage it.
Oh my gosh.
Your ears.
Context clues and them something there.
You just mind you, know, some of them don't know how to. So maybe it wrong.
Ah, they didn't. Oh, just like how we would have learned English formally, and then they have the informal where. Much excitement.
And the thing is, when they then throw it all over.
Yeah, cause where them a scream out then throw it all. No must hurt them, man.
My friend said it hurts to speak. So they tell me no.
very upset though. He must lose. Hey, okay, so the truth is, a lot of us don't even give thought to this community because it doesn't really affect us, and we don't communicate with deaf and hard of hearing people every day, and so we don't really think about it. So I just want to share some do's and don'ts when dealing with this community, and this is taken from the Jamaica Information Service. Do's and don'ts when dealing with deaf and hard of hearing. So do refer to the deaf as deaf or hard of hearing. Don't refer to the deaf as dumb, dummy, or hearing impaired. Do wave or lightly tap shoulders to get their attention. Don't start speaking if the deaf person is not looking at you. Okay? Do face the deaf person. Don't turn around or move away. Do make eye contact. Don't look down or away. Do speak clearly at natural pace. Okay? Don't talk slowly or quickly. Not too slowly, not too quickly. Do use an expressive face. As you can see, persons communicating with deaf or hard of hearing persons, they usually have like facial expression. Don't over exaggerate your lip pattern. Do use natural gestures. Don't shout. This distorts your face and mouth and can be painful for hearing aid wearers. Do ensure your face is in good light. Don't stand with a window or bright light behind you. Do keep your mouth visible. Don't cover your mouth. Make sure the deaf person knows the topic of the conversation. Don't switch to a new topic without warning. Use pencil and paper if you get stuck, or type using your phone. So the phone is so important for them. They do video calling, which is really great. Don't feel embarrassed or give up. And do flip the lights if you need to get the attention of a group of deaf persons in a room. And of course, do learn and practice sign language. If you want to learn and practice sign language, there are courses available and I can put you on to that. So let me know in the comments section, and I hope you enjoy this video. You're more aware and of how to deal with deaf and hard of hearing persons. For me, I actually thought that hard of hearing was just a Jamaican phrase or saying. You know, our parents would say, you're hard of hearing in a picnic. But it's actually an official title, and it's quite interesting to note that they're fun people to be around, and they'll make jokes of it. They'll be like, well, duh, I can't hear you, I'm deaf, stuff like that. I do have a video to share on blind people playing cricket, so I hope you will stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, you will subscribe. Thank you for liking and sharing this video, and big up to all my subscribers, new and old. I don't call you all, but you don't know what I mean. Big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. It done and gone already, and it's still a course. Just peace. Me say me try to look a video and the mosquito them. Do ensure your face is in good light. Me forgot light one destroyer in the day because rain falls, so them come down like wicked. I might edit this out. Sent Jamaica Information JIS. How JIS mean again? Jamaica Information Service. In the next video. What a whole pan nice in the background, Jesus. You have to do video early morning when you live a place where whole pan nice there. Alright, me go hang up now. You go hang up.